Hello guys, Little Blue Wolf is here today. Hey, today I am Panama City Beach. I see the boat way over here. Beach and ocean, palm trees everywhere. So there's a day, seagulls still in the beach looking at me. Like, are you gonna feed some crackers? I feed the seagulls already. So you guys know about it. And yeah. Pretty good for me, isn't it? Yep, it is. So now Ricky is here in the house right now. He's here with my beach house right now. Okay, today is November the 6th, and because 2 days will be my brother Red Wolf's birthday. He'll be 14, and yeah, so I got him a birthday card, my brother Red Wolf birthday card, and it's good thing. So here we are, Panama City Beach, Florida. Seagulls over here, looking. Yeah, I made the seagulls today. So I tell the story about Ricky boy. Papa calls from Florida, and Ricky said about Ricky told Papa call about Bobo, and that's not Papa Car didn't answer. I meant to, but Papa Car do Rick longer. Attack him. Like that he could just walk away and never come back to his house no more. He's got the devil on him. That is not Carl's. Carl's not bad. The devil is bad. Ricky said, "I'd go and kick the devil's ass." And yeah. And Ricky tell the devil, say, "You better back off right now. I am the Jesus, son of Jesus. You better back off." And he devil back up for Ricky. And yeah, so that's just a house where they got burned up. He says it smells like the devil. Okay, so not sure yet. But anyway. Yeah, I'm in the front beach road. So here we are. Beach on Panama City Beach. Blue Beast. So yeah, the wind is blowing and got supplies in Panama City Beach in it. So I'll show you the walkway. We're not gonna walk the beach today, cause so look. The beach go way out here, go straight up out the beach. So yeah, and here's the seagulls right there. You see it? Just small white things flying. Seagulls, caca. Here's a helicopter right there. And be good what you're up to. So Ricky said the devil beat me 50 years ago, and then Ricky beating the devil up many times. He saw Satan loose for himself, and he asked Jesus. He saw the light of God call his photo, and he caught on his photo. But they posted on Facebook wicked long and said something else with it. And yeah, it looks like I got to go right about now. And this is Bill's house right there. I know. And Ricky fixed himself a place by himself. Without needing no help. What?
Back around here.
Don't worry. Okay, so yeah.
Around here.
Okay, so
Oh, Charlotte's fixing to come over.
I posted videos right now, Bullet.
Okay, we'll post about here, not in here.
Why?
No.
Don't worry about me, please.
Well, I want you to be out here where I can see you.
It's recording now.
Please. Do it for Mammy.
Oh my God. Distraction. So, yeah.
Oh, come on around here.
Hush. Be quiet for blue's sake. Sorry, I see Jill distracted. Go in the house. You know what? I got about go by now, so thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and on leaving comments below. If Jesus comes to, Lee Blue Wolf is out. How?